Ruto umarite OOME ya Kenya na kwaria mantu mwanya yareta maoni kulania ati kanthiguru mwanya ikaregarerwo muno ni ndiungene wenthiguru ya Tanzania nara aronekanire gukirithana na rais wa nthiguru Samia Suluhu irura kiwanda kia maguta kia Tanga. Rais Samia akiwa taichi kwina gituo ya kiwindi ya ibiru rais Ruto akiweta kire nyumba cia nteto. Mwenda ena yakire arwe siasa
kumara tonya wathanine rais Ruto nabwithitie ndiunga mwanya na nthiguru cia OOME na moroto ya utiila ucore ati ya Kenya na nthiguru ingi oni ya kandiungai ite ciarite matunda ciyanite na mathina ondete mawea.
Waheshimiwa wabunge, kuna msemo unaosema unaweza kuchagua rafiki, jirani unapatiwa na Mungu.
Yarua muno rais Ruto akiariria mbunge ya Tanzania naonekanire utumire muradi yombesa kathomba yo mauta mubango kinya rais wa Tanzania Samia Suluhu atamenya.
Kenya stands ready to invest as a strategic partner in the proposed oil refinery in Tanga.
Noe mucokeria mutongoria kiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua na mutharikire rais Ruto akiwa kururia mirandi etio kinya nthiguru ne ingi.
It's so embarrassing to our country that a president from Kenya goes to Tanzania to announce that there will be a project in Tanga for oil refinery when the president of the country is not even aware of such a project.
Akiaria liongete Beijing, rais Ruto na wetere China yankurukia musore wa kuritaniria nguenwe.
Kenya and China are not merely trade partners. We are co-architects of a new world order, one that is fair, inclusive and sustainable.
Miarita yukiro na ukai ni seneta wa America Jim Rich ora niwe mukarigiti wa kamiti ya bunge ya seneti ya mante ya OOME ya nthiguru akiwa ibabati kurigiria nthiguru cia Afrika ya Kenya riko watanira na China.
Many African nations maintain troubling ties with China, including key national security partners. Just last month, President Ruto declared that Kenya, a major non-NATO ally, and China are co-architects of a new world order.
Kuri mweri Juena mwaka muthiru rais Ruto na therere kuritaniria ngui na nthiguru ya China akiwa aticoka nyuma ki kuritaniria ngui na China.
The high level conversation with China, they have agreed to a reciprocal arrangement between Kenya and China. They have agreed to remove all the tariffs on our tea, on our coffee, on our avocado and all other agricultural exports. It's partly why I have a bit of a problem with some of our friends, but it is what I must do for Kenya. You know, it's in the best interest of Kenya.
Kiuria kira kirero ni ri ndiunga cia rais Ruto ikareta ngwataniro kana ni mpatho na nthiguru ingi.
Kenya can serve as a bridge between east and west, north and south in an era of deepening geopolitical tensions.
Mwenda Gaaru Ya Ciaca, nteto cia weru.